to our channel. Happy Monday. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you had a great weekend. Now today I tried to go all out for this unit, but I think I did a little bit too much because there's too much red going on here. But there's absolutely nothing I plan on doing about it right now. Like, I could change it, but I was like, I'm not going to. You know what, I'm gonna leave it. So this is one of the Bobbi Boss Truly Me Easy Everyday Wear wigs, and she's called MLF421 SHAYNE. I have her in the color T1B/red, and I reviewed a lot of the Truly Me collection units before. I always say these are like the Outre, the daily wigs, because you know Outre came out with the daily wigs. Wear Me on the daily, it's like a bunch of like reasonably priced, I would say reasonably made units, if you guys get what I'm saying. And now Bobbi Boss has the same thing with the Truly Me Easy Everyday Wear, because they're a little bit more, the quality I should say is not as good as you would normally get from the Bobbi Boss collection. And to me, the Outre daily collection is not what you would normally get from Outre. That's for me personally. I think that the quality is a little bit more, you know, down here than what you would normally get. But either way, like I said, I have this in the color T1B/red, so there's no dark roots. It's actually like the same, it's actually like the hair that I did last Friday, the braiding hair. I did T530, so it's actually like red from the roots down, but there's some dark, like some 1B like in between it, so it's like in between there, and then the ends comes out into like full on red. See that? So the ends are like full on red, but the black is like in there to kind of like tone it down a bit from the roots all the way down to like about here, you know, just almost to the end. So yeah, I could deal with that. I could deal with that. Even if I don't get a dark root, I could deal with something like this, because you know, it kind of tones it down. The 1B kind of tones it down from the roots, so it's alright. But guys, this is a left side part wig, so for those of you who are not into left side parts, I'm sorry. Those of you who love left side parts, this is definitely one for you. So it's a left side part wig. I would say the parting space is about 4 inches deep, and it was clear enough straight out the box, so all I had to do was just add some powder to it. I laid the baby hairs down because it came with some really long baby hairs. The front of the hair is actually pretty dense, so it's not really natural looking or anything like that. Like I said, the quality is not like your regular Bobbi Boss quality, like top-notch quality. It's kind of like, you know, budget friendly, I would say. But regardless, it's still a cute unit. I love it nonetheless. Like, I'm so confused about the bangs and stuff, because I'm not used to the left side part. I was about to do this. So it has some big curls that kind of like frame your face right here. It's layered, but not so much. I think I would cut some more layers into this, like this part right here, just to make it like flip this way and stop instead of going all the way down like this. I think that would look better, but regardless, it looks cute. The texture, it has like a light yaki hair texture. In terms of the cap, it's a regular cap construction, so you get 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps, and like I said, a regular cap construction, breathable and all that good stuff. Now it is heat safe. It doesn't say up to how much. I added heat to it. My hot comb was at 300. No, it's at high. I forgot. My hot comb don't say numbers, it just says low, medium, high, extra hot or something like that. Anyway, my hot comb was at high and it actually worked. Nothing burned off, so I'm pretty good with that. But like I said, it does not say up to how much, so just be careful once adding heat to it. If your curling iron or your flat iron says, you know, numbers, then don't go more than like 350, okay? But anyway guys, I have some more units from the Truly Me collection coming up, so stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. By the way, I'll say the cap is about medium in cap size. There's a little bit of extra room and a little bit of stretch to it, so yeah, I would say about medium. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this unit in the comment section down below. I will link it in the description box, so you can go purchase it if you want to. But thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.